Select 2-point line tool. Draw a diagonal line starting from the top right corner down to the bottom left corner. Double-click Shape tool to select all nodes. Convert to curve. Click and drag the curve slightly upward. Make 3 copies below, each with a different gap. Modify the last one as shown. Do the same upward but with 2 copies. Select Smart Fill and create all shapes. Delete all lines. With 2-point line tool, draw 2 lines as shown. Convert to curve and modify slightly upward. Do the same down here. Select Smart Fill. Change color. Create new shapes. Delete the new lines. Select Interactive Fill tool and create a gradient as shown. After finish, select Contour tool. Create outer contour, reduce distance. Do the same for other shape. Right-click, break contour apart. Remove fill and with Smart Fill create these 2 thin shapes. Delete the contour. With Shape tool, fix the end of this shape by moving the node to right. Do the same to other contour. Select all new shapes. Go to Edit. Copy properties from Fill. Select this one. Select the top one. Modify the gradient. Now select the other edges and copy the fill from the modified shape. For bottom shape, mirror the gradient and modify. Remove outline. Remove the outline for other shape. Now select this shape and fill with gradient as shown. Select top 2 shapes and copy new fill to them. Do the same for last 3 shapes from the bottom. Select this one and modify the gradient. Copy the same gradient for other 2 shapes. Select the last 2 shapes. Right-click. Order to front. Select the middle one and add shadow as shown. Press the plus sign here to save it as preset. Right-click, break shadow apart. Scale up to extend it outside. Right-click, PowerClip inside the shape below it. Drop shadow to the opposite side, break and PowerClip with the shape below. Do the same for all shapes. Now we will create a pattern fill for the middle one. Start by drawing a polygon. Change sides to 3. Right-click, convert to curve. Select all 3 corners nodes. Go to corner. Change radius. Press apply. Select Contour tool and create inner contour. Right-click, break contour apart, select both and combine together. Fill with color and remove outline. Create copy and mirror vertically. Move it near the other one. Select both and duplicate to the side as shown. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Select all and group. Make another copy and mirror down. Select both and duplicate down. Select all and group. Rotate and move it right above the middle shape, making sure it matches the angle of the shape. Scale down. Move to the side, right-click, PowerClip inside, select the middle shape. Select the shape, click Edit. Tweak its placement and angle for better alignment. Add a gradient fill and adjust it until you get the look you want. You can add dark shade to the ends. With Smart Fill, create another shape. Fill with dark color. Use the transparency tool to create a soft fade on one edge. Then duplicate it and fade the opposite side. Now to create highlight edge, with 2-point line tool, draw a line. Change color to white. Close the shape. Convert to curve and modify as shown. Fill with white and remove outline. Go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Add some blur effect. Increase the transparency. Then make a few copies along the edges as shown. That's all. Now you know how to design an eye-catching 3D layered background in CorelDraw.